Are you all happy this afternoon? Are you all ready to learn today? Okay, dear children, do you remember what we have learned in the previous computer class? Okay, we have learned about paint application, isn't it? You understood what we have learned? Okay, did you practice what did I ask you to do last week? Okay, I hope you all did. You are all good children, isn't it? Yes, I know that you practiced in your house. So this week we are going to start the next topic in your third chapter. Okay, do you all remember what is the topic of the third chapter, dear children? Yes, it is more about paint. So now take your textbook, computer textbook, and turn to page number 35. The next topic is skew and drawing. Okay, in page number 35 you have this topic called skew and drawing. Have you seen that topic? Okay, so that is what we are going to learn today. Okay, we are going to learn 3 more topics. Okay, so are you all ready, dear children? First, what you should do? Okay, you should open your paint application. Okay, so how to open your paint application? You should go to Start All Programs and then Microsoft Paint. Sorry, paint application. Okay, so this, if you click on paint, this is how your desktop will look like. Okay, so your paint application window opens like this. Then in that you want to place an image. Okay, we have already seen how to place an image, how to rotate an image, everything we have learned in last class, isn't it? So in this class we are going to see how to skew a drawing. Okay, so for that first we need a drawing, isn't it? So let's place a drawing here. Okay, now already I have placed the image. Okay, so this is an image. So in this image, using this image, let's see how to skew this image. Skewing means nothing but tilting. Okay, so when you twist an image, how it will look like. Okay, that is what we are going to see now. Skewing means just twisting. Okay, you can twist horizontally or vertically, any direction you can use. For that first you should click the home tab. See here, home tab is there, isn't it? Click that. Then you should select, you should click on the select option. Okay, this is image group. In that click the select option. Okay, in the select option you should click and drag the mouse pointer. Okay, in the image group, can you able to see? I am going to select rectangular selection. So I am going to select this much. Okay, we should drag the mouse pointer. Okay, I selected here. Then you have to go to the image group. Then resize option is there here. Can you able to see? So that one you should click. Can you able to see a drop down list? Okay, in this, see here, resize and skew. 2 options are there, isn't it? In the skew area you should type the amount. Amount means degree. Okay, horizontally if you want to twist your drawing horizontally, then here you should type. See here, horizontal, there you should type. I am going to type 40 degree. Okay, then I am going to give OK. Look here, dear children, look at the image. It is tilted, it is twisted, isn't it? So this is how your image will look like when you skew your image. Okay, you understand, dear children? You should go to home tab, select. Okay, first you should select, then rectangular section or whichever section you want you can select, or you can give select all. Then you should go to resize option. There in the skew box you have to give horizontal or vertical. So you have to give degree, which degree, 40 degree or 50 degree, which degree you want you can give, and then you can give OK. Okay, so this is how you have to skew your drawing. Okay, try this out, dear children. Will you do that? Okay, very good. So next topic. To set drawing as desktop background. How to set drawing as desktop background? Okay, shall we see how to set? Okay, for that first you should click the paint button. Okay, see here paint button, and in the paint button you should then you should point to the set as desktop okay, one second. Okay, set as desktop background. Can you able to see here this option? First you should go to paint, then you should click the set as desktop background. In that, one second, I'll show you again. Okay, set as desktop background. So you have three other options: fill, tile, center. Okay, whichever option you want you can select. Okay, in your textbook page number 34 you can see the three views. When you give fill, the diagram, the entire diagram will be placed in the desktop. If you give tile, then diagram will be divided into multiple parts and it will be placed in the desktop. Okay, center, if you give, the diagram will be placed in the center. So I am giving tile. Okay, we did not save the file still. Okay, so I saved the file. Okay, now listen dear children, look at the desktop how it is looking like. The same picture is divided into multiple parts and it is set as background, desktop background. Can you able to see this? Okay, so try this out dear children. If you try, it will be appearing in your system as well. Okay, so this is how you should make your drawing as desktop background. Now shall we see how to see your drawing in the full screen? Okay, in the full screen. For that you should go to the view tab. See, view tab. In that you should go to the display group. There it is full screen. There is an option called full screen. There you should click. Can you able to see? So in the entire screen, okay, only your diagram will be visible. Okay, is there any other options around your diagram? No, isn't it? Only your diagram is there in the entire screen. Okay, so now this is how your diagram will look like in the entire screen. The next thing is zooming in and zooming out. So if you want to if you want to make your diagram bigger, okay, or if you want to make your diagram bigger, you have to again go to the view tab, zoom in. There is an option called zoom in the zoom group, isn't it? You should click that. See here, your diagram becomes bigger, isn't it? If you give zoom out, your diagram will come to the normal position. Okay, simply keep clicking on zoom in and zoom out in the view tab. Okay dear children, will you do this? Try this today. Okay, if you get any doubt in this, you can contact in my personal WhatsApp number. Okay dear children, will you do this? Only practice makes a man perfect, isn't it? So practice well. Okay, so what we have learned today? We have learned from page number 33 to 35. First of all, we have learned how to skew our drawing, then setting our drawing as a desktop background, then how to see the drawing in full screen, and how to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, these four things we learned today, and these four things you should practice today. Okay, will you do, dear children? Okay, so with this your third chapter ends. I'll post question answers for this chapter in WhatsApp group. Okay, download that and copy in your classwork. Okay dear children, thank you, have a great day.